have that perfect beach property or mountain home in mind for a great second home, but you're not sure how you can buy it? Using the equity from your existing home may be the perfect option for you to realize your dreams of that perfect weekend and holiday getaway. Hi, this is Lori Richmond with Westcorp Mortgage Group, and in this video, I'm going to share how to use a cash-out refinance to buy a second home. Many homeowners cash out home equity to make a down payment on their second home. The benefit of using a cash-out refinance to buy a second home is that you can finance all or part of the purchase price. It's important to know the details of the transaction and important timing for the strategy to work. The first and most important detail is that you need to qualify for a cash-out refinance on your existing home, and you need to have plenty of home equity. How much equity do you need? With a cash-out refinance, you can take out up to 80% of the equity in your existing home and use the funds to purchase a new house. You might also be able to refinance into a lower interest rate at the same time. But there are a few basic things you should know. Your eligibility to take out a new loan depends on the amount of your home equity and your credit score. Lenders generally will allow cash-out refinancing equal to 80% of your equity. They'll see a property value of $300,000 and subtract 20% or $60,000. That'll leave around $240,000. That money is first used to repay the existing loan of $100,000. The balance of $140,000 represents the cash available to you, the borrower. Let's look at the cash-out refinance rules. Taking in a cash-out refinance to buy a second home is one of the best ways to put your equity to good use, and it's a common investment strategy used by some real estate investors. While lenders establish their own rules when it comes to eligibility for a refinance loan, there are some general cash-out rules that borrowers can expect to see. Those general rules include having home equity of 20% or more, a credit score of 620 or higher, debt-to-income ratio of 50% or less, loan-to-value ratio of 80% or less, verification of income and employment, a new appraisal that verifies the value of the real estate. So how soon can you get a cash-out refinance loan? Many homeowners wonder how long they have to hold their current mortgage before they're eligible for a cash-out refinance. If you have a conventional FHA or VA mortgage, most lenders require a 6-month waiting period after closing on the first mortgage before taking out a cash-out refinance. Typically, you can use real estate equity to immediately buy a second home, but you will want to check with your lender to verify any seasoning requirements to use your cash-out money for a down payment. So if you think now is the time to get that perfect weekend getaway, give us a call. We may be able to help you realize your destination dreams. Thanks for watching. This is Lori Richmond with Westcorp Mortgage Group. If there's anything we can do to answer your questions about using equity in your existing home to buy a second home or investment property, please give us a call. You can also find more helpful videos on my YouTube channel, Lori Richmond Mortgage Team.